This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. ATMO Europe, Danfoss. Details how hydrocarbon high-temperature heat pumps are decarbonizing the food and beverage industry by J.O. Haraldson, published December 3, 2025. Hydrocarbon high-temperature heat pumps, HTHP, with outlet temperatures up to 120 degrees Celsius, 248 degrees Fahrenheit, are already decarbonizing the food and beverage industry, according to Danfoss. Ivan Rangelov, industrial heat pump manager at Danfoss, shared details about the technology readiness levels of various HTHPS at the Atmosphere, ATMO Europe Summit 2025. Atmosphere, the publisher of naturalrefrigerants.com, hosted the event, which was held November 24th to 25th in Padua, Italy. Will van den Kerkhoff, technical director of Danish OEM Servex, joined Rangelov to present a 1.5 megawatt, 427 tons of refrigeration, integrated hydrocarbon system for a brewery, delivering steam at up to 130 degrees Celsius, 266 degrees Fahrenheit. With its need for refrigeration and processing temperatures up to 150 degrees Celsius, 302 degrees Fahrenheit, the food and beverage industry represents the lowest hanging fruit for decarbonizing with HTHPs, Rangelov said. Market-ready units. Danfoss has already launched industrial hydrocarbon compressors using scroll, semi-hermetic piston, and screw technologies. The isobutane scroll PSG range provides water temperatures up to 100 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit, with heating capacities ranging from 80 to 500 kilowatts, 22.7 to 142 tons of refrigeration. Its HG66BOCKR 600, a semi-hermetic piston compressor, provides water temperatures up to 120 degrees Celsius, with heating capacities from 100 kilowatts to 1 megawatt, 28.4 to 284 tons of refrigeration. Next year, we will launch this compressor with butane to produce temperatures up to 135 degrees Celsius, UBS 275 degrees Fahrenheit, Rangelov said. For larger heating capacities from 250 kilowatts to 1.5 megawatts, 71 to 427 tons of refrigeration. Danfoss offers its new KS screw compressor range with integrated inverter technology using R600A or R290 propane refrigerant with outlet temperatures of up to 100 degrees Celsius. Case study, Servex designed a 1.5 megawatt hydrocarbon refrigeration-wide heating system for Gulpener, a brewery in the Netherlands, using Danfoss hydrocarbon compressors. The brewery aims to operate fossil-free by 2030. The system includes a 500 kilowatt R290 chiller for refrigeration, a second-stage 500 kilowatt R600 a heat pump supplying 90 degrees Celsius, 194 degrees Fahrenheit, water for industry processes, and a third-stage 500 kilowatt R600 heat pump, generating steam at 130 degrees Celsius. The clean steam, generated at 1 bar, 14.5 psi of pressure, is injected directly into the brewer's processes, van den Kerkhoff said. When the cooling demand is too low to support the HTHPS, the system uses the air cooler as a heat source, he added. Under development. 2 months ago, we kicked off a project at the Danish Technological Institute DTI to build a modular design 500 kilowatt hydrocarbon heat pump, capable of delivering steam up to 200 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit, Rangelov said. The heat pump includes a propane unit producing outlet temperatures up to 50 degrees Celsius, 122 degrees Fahrenheit, a butane unit generating between 130 and 140 degrees Celsius, 266 to 284 degrees Fahrenheit, steam, and an MVR, mechanical vapor recompression, cycle to reach 200 degrees Celsius. With a target to develop a 1 megawatt capacity heat pump, the 3-year Danish government EUDP, Energy Technology Development and Demonstration Program, funded project will test a Danfoss piston and a screw compressor in the same application. Danish manufacturer Fina G will build the unit, and DTI will test it, according to Rangelov. He added that the unit will eventually be installed in a pharmaceutical manufacturing facility owned by the biotechnical firm Fujifilm. Between the two different compressor types, DTI will determine which technology better fits given applications based on the matrix of COPS, Rangelov said. Quotable, "We see a big demand for hydrocarbon heat pumps to address temperatures above 100 degrees Celsius," Rangelov said. It's a good natural choice with the ability to produce temperatures of 130 to 140 degrees Celsius when condensing at 28 bar 406 yang.